So now we've completed our constructor, right? And so in one statement, we were able to initialize all of our state variables. We can talk for a second about why we call them state variables, right? These are the literal state of the ball, right? Where's the ball positioned right now? Well, center X and center Y will tell us where it is. Where is the velocity? What is the current velocity of the ball? Well, velocity X and velocity Y will tell us the current velocity of the ball. And what's the current ellipse width and ellipse height? Well, these will tell us those, okay? And they can be changed. They might be modified, right? As time goes on, velocity X might change. Center X and center Y better change, right? If we want this thing to be animated. And the ellipse width and ellipse height can change. Has anyone tried it yet? We can try it. That'll be one of the fun projects we do. Okay. So far, so good. All right. And now what we want to do is we want to have the actions of the ball be methods, all right? What do I mean by that? Well, one thing is we draw the ball, okay? But we don't want to draw the ball. We don't want to know anything about the ball. In fact, these are private variables. We don't even know this is how the ball is represented. What we want to say is here is where we want to draw the ball, and here is the velocity, and here is the width and height, and you figure it out, okay? You're a ball, you know how you move, you figure it out. So the ball's programming rules, or how the ball moves, is decided inside of ball itself, and we don't have to worry about it. We just create the ball, we give it an initial values for whatever things we want to give it initial values for, right? And then it goes, right? On its own. Well, what does that mean? That means we don't draw the ball ourselves. We tell the ball to draw itself, okay? And how do we do that? Well, we make a method that has the ball draw itself, okay? So the ball, when we think about the method, how do we make this method? Well, it's going to draw on the screen, and so it's not going to return anything. It's just going to draw on the screen, right? So it's not returning an answer or a value or anything. And so we want to make it a public function because we're going to invoke it from outside, right here. And we're going to make it a void because we're not returning anything, just like we said. Draw, okay? And do we have to pass anything in to do this? Or do we have enough information inside the ball to draw it? Okay, think about that, and I'll see you right in the next video.